You may learn about investing and how to make the best financial decisions for your life on Investor Facts. Make sure you click the subscription button and enable the notification bell if you haven't already. Share, like, and comment. Today, I'm going to share with you the most shocking revelation Tesla has made recently. Did you hear that the EV company threw a major bomb on the most recent Tesla Q3 earnings? Musk frequently makes controversial statements, but this particular one was really outrageous, so you surely wouldn't want to miss it. Then let's keep going. On October 19, after the market has closed, Tesla announced its final results, confirming that it had exceeded earnings projections but experiencing a decline in revenue. After the bell, Tesla released its third quarter earnings, and on earnings call, management answered a variety of queries. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, made a fairly audacious statement on the conference call. "I sense a potential rout with Tesla that is worth more than Apple and Saudi Aramco," added Musk. Although Tesla saw some local ups and downs, according to Musk, the long-term trend has been very positive. A few more years ago, he claimed, "I said on our earnings call that I thought it was possible for Tesla to be worth more than Apple, which was then the highest cap company in the market at that time. I think it was around $700 billion. Tesla's CEO now thinks the business can significantly outperform Apple's present market capitalization. In fact, I think Tesla has a chance to become more valuable than Apple and Saudi Aramco put together." Musk was quick to point out that while the procedure won't be simple, that doesn't guarantee it will take place or be simple. In fact, I believe it will be very challenging. It will involve hard work, the development of innovative new items, managing growth, and luck invariably. I should point out that when I said that maybe now that I see a road in an incredibly difficult path to get to where Tesla is, with as much as Apple and Saudi Aramco combined, I wasn't including Optimus, Musk said halfway through the earnings call. This indicates that Musk anticipates Tesla value to increase if the humanoid robot Optimus performs well. Musk stated, "We are extremely confident of a terrific Q4, and we anticipate continuing to grow our vehicle production and sale deliveries by on an average 50% a year, as far into the future as we can see." Martin Viecha, Vice President of Investor Relations at Tesla, responded to one of the shareholders' queries about whether Tesla still anticipates 50% yearly growth going forward. In response, Musk said, "We think Tesla will keep growing its revenue and deliveries at a compound annual growth rate of 50% or higher." In contrast to the predicted 99 cents per share for the third quarter of 2022, Tesla posted earnings of $1.05 per share, based on Refinitiv's survey of analysts, and revenue of $21.45 billion compared to the projected $21.96 billion. Tesla's third quarter 2022 GAAP net income was $3.33 billion, with automotive gross margin remaining constant at 27.9%, the same level as the first quarter of 2022. Tesla posted earnings of $1.62 billion for the same time period in 2017. The automaker grew its cash balance to a record $21 billion last quarter and generated operating free cash flow of $3.3 billion. However, investors are keenly monitoring for a signal that consumer demand is cooling as inflation soars and interest rates rise. Even while Tesla is growing well amid concerns about the state of world economy, to the satisfaction of investors, Tesla management, including Elon Musk, addressed a wide range of issues on the results call, including macroeconomic concerns and CEO Musk's impending acquisition of Twitter. Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla, mentioned a potential Tesla stock repurchase. According to Musk, the Tesla board of directors have been debating the merits of recent requests for a buyback and thinks the company could readily handle one regardless of the economic climate. The repurchase concept has been heavily discussed at the board level. The board generally agrees that a buyback makes sense, but we want to make sure the procedure is correct before moving further. However, it's definitely possible for us to conduct a buyback of between $5 and $10 billion. Although next year might turn out to be very difficult, Musk continued, it is still conceivable that Tesla will do some significant buyback amid recessionary risk and experts' worries about the entire economy. Musk expressed his opinion on the matter. He claims that China is undergoing a reverse recession of sorts, and Europe has a recession of sorts driven by energy, but that North America is in pretty excellent condition, while the United States is not. Despite the Fed boosting interest rates more than needed, in Musk's opinion, they will soon realize their error and lower rates once more. I can't emphasize this enough. But we intend to sell every card we produce for as far into the future as we can see, and we have excellent demand for Q4. In fact, the business should maintain its current scorching pace of 50% or more on average annually in terms of customer card deliveries. That is, of course, if Musk can locate sufficient ships, trains, and trucks to transport them. There just aren't enough transportation objects on the market, which is why Q3 unit sales were disappointing. Elon Musk later added that Tesla overstated his case when he said, "We are not meaningfully lowering our production, recession or no recession." Shareholders, inevitably, have a range of inquiries concerning Tesla's ongoing projects, and the Tesla executive and CEO have been obedient in responding. The Tesla Semi is a fully electric active safety semi-truck with a large range and roomy interior design for maximum safety. On December 1st, Musk promised to personally deliver the first semi-commercial trucks to Pepsi. Additionally, he has the hazy goal of producing 50,000 units in North America by 2024. According to Musk, we will start stepping up the manufacturing of Tesla Semi, which is a heavy truck that is a Class A truck with low maximum weight rating. In regards to eagerly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck, we'll be scaling up semi-production through next year. We're still on a pace to begin early production in the middle of next year, says Lars Moravi, head of engineering, on the call. We're in the closing lap for the Cybertruck, Musk remarked. Must add, at this stage, we've done the engineering for Cybertruck and for Semi. Attention is now turning to a more affordable entry model because the development work on the Semi and Cybertruck is finished, according to the media. This is the first affordable robotaxi that is completely devoid of a steering wheel and pedals. The objective was to have lower costs compared to the larger Model 3 and Y platforms. According to Musk, he believes that output will soon surpass that all of Tesla's other vehicles put together. Additionally, Musk discussed the 4680 battery cells. Musk acknowledged having trouble getting his 4680 cells to perform to his standards. The volume has increased since the previous quarter, and the cost optimization is now the main concern. Comparing Q3 to Q2, our production of 4680 cells has increased thrice. In essence, output from the 4680 ramp is expanding rapidly, according to Musk. We still feel optimistic that 4680 will be the most competitive battery cell in the world, Musk stated when asked about his faith in the 4680 batteries. Musk claimed that the business is pushing itself to the limit to produce 1,000 gigawatt-hour of in-house 4680 productions annually in the US alone. This includes the manufacturing of anodes, cathodes, and even lithium through all major stages of battery cell processing. The Tesla Full Self-Driving, or FSD, for anyone who has ordered a full self-driving beta, also drew concerns from shareholders. The FSD pilot program will be open to full self-driving this year, most likely in approximately a month. The FSD beta program allows Tesla vehicles to travel autonomously to a location entered into the vehicle's navigation system, but the driver must always be vigilant and prepared to take over. The safety we're seeing when the car is in FSD mode is actually significantly greater than the safety we're seeing where it is not, which is a key threshold for going to a wide beta. As Musk explains, anyone who buys a car and purchases a full self-driving option will immediately have that available to them. Midway through the discussion, Tesla CEO Elon Musk explained that, "I think the general public recognizes that the world is moving toward electric vehicles and that it's dumb to really buy a new gasoline car at the time because the residual value of the gasoline car is going to be very low." That's a wrap. We explored Tesla's Q3 earnings and all the ways they've been working to make their products even better. Thanks for watching the entire clip. If you like it, kinda let us know by hitting the like and subscribe buttons. Also, don't forget to enable the notification bell so you can be the first to know when we post a new video. In the following video, I'll see you. Goodbye.